Hi, we are on our way to Colemere. We're going camping for the week, so come with us. Oh, yeah, we are.
Well, we are here. We're a little bit dishevelled, but as you can see, the tent is up and we're having a cup of tea. I think it's about 6 o'clock in the evening, and yeah, it's really beautiful here. Haven't had time to go and have a look at much of it because I've been so busy putting the tent up and just taking stuff out of bags. Just to make a cup of tea, I've gone through about 6 different bags of just stuff. And I know some people love this like simple camping. That's just not for me. So yeah, we are enjoying ourselves. We've had dinner, haven't we? Excuse me. Have we had dinner? We have, haven't we? What did you have? Nice dog food. Yeah, I had not nice dog food. I just had one of these salady things from the shop, which is like a cheese salad type thing, just to keep me going. So I didn't actually need to cook anything tonight, and my bed is all set up. That's the first thing I did. Well, the first thing I did was got this chair out, and then I just thought, whatever happens, I can have a break if I need a break. But actually, the tent was really quick to put up.
It's pouring down raining outside. Absolutely just really abysmal weather here. But there's one thing this campsite has got that I've never seen at any other campsite I've been to. And this is beautiful. Have a look at this. It's like a little snug room that people can just come and enjoy. And not only that, they've got a communal dining table where people can come and sit and eat. And on top of that, I mean, the way it's been done is really so it's I would say like masculine, but in a very soft way. It's really beautiful, really lovely place. And then to add on to that, there's a little sink, a couple of fridges with freezers where you can put your your ice blocks in, all the equipment you could need, coffee machine, kettle, microwave, loads of information. This campsite really is really beautiful. Look at that. What an amazing little den area for campsite people to come and enjoy. Isn't that just beautiful? It's a little bit on the chilly side today, but definitely worth it. Beautiful place to walk, really lovely. Very scenic and accessible for all different people. So yeah, Colemere, thumbs up. Morning. Look at that. Oh, stunning. My goodness, it doesn't look real. Oh my goodness. Look at this, Betty. Look at this. Come on, look, keep going. Wow.